So today I'm going to be doing a day in the life of a freelance graphic designer. Last month I honestly did nothing, but this month we are on the grind. Let me show you what I have done this month. By this month I mean 2 days ago. So I honestly didn't ask him for permission, but I really doubt he cares. This looks exactly like his old business cards anyways. Let me zoom out. I'm like making it small. It'll look better small. It's like me hiding that it's not that good. Okay, here is a business card for a congressional candidate. It looks almost exactly the same as this one that he used for last election. He just wanted me to change a few words on it. And now, today, I am working on a really big project and I am freaking out because I'm like really nervous and I need to send them like 20 different things in like 5 days, and it's making me really nervous for no reason. I like shouldn't be that nervous. And I'm also doing Vlogmas and I'm like kind of scared that this is gonna get in the way of Vlogmas, but it's like it literally doesn't matter if I like miss a day of Vlogmas, like no one's gonna care. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I like honestly kind of have an anxiety problem as I'm like super stressed and it's like not that big of a deal. But it is a big deal because I made no money this month. I mean, I made no money this whole year, basically, like barely any money. I'm having a mental breakdown. I don't know why I stress so hard about things I don't need to be stressed about at all. And I'm like pacing. I've been like pacing for like a week to send 20 ideas in like a few days. I think I already said that. And I have a few winners. By a few winners, I have 2 winners. I'm basically designing some graphic tees and it's for a really big company. Like if you're watching this, you've definitely heard of this company and you definitely, I wouldn't say you definitely own stuff from the company. I would say if you're a teen girl, you probably do. I own like 30 things. There is at least 2 items in this room from there, and there is at least like literally 35 in this room from that store. But it is just graphic tee designs, so the ones that they don't want I can just use and sell them myself. It's really not that big of a deal for the ones that they reject for this, but in most cases it is really annoying because like sometimes you have to make like a design for like a newspaper and they'll like want you to make like 20 different versions, and then in like that case it's really annoying because I can't do anything with those ever. But for these it's like I can just sell them on shirts myself, so it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, hello vlog. So this is day whatever of trying to get my thing done, and the first thing that I showed you in this video that I made that was unrelated, just a business card, I actually somehow spelled like 3 words wrong in it. We have fixed it now. I am so stupid. So I accidentally synced my laptop and my iMac, like the desktop version, and it's good because I have a process where I don't know why, but I just like drawing it on my laptop, but then I look at it on my iMac and then I make the fixes because it's like bigger so I can like see where I messed up easier. But for some reason I like drawing it on my laptop. I think I'm just used to it and I don't want to switch up my routine. Honestly, probably if I just switch my mouse out it would be like the same thing, but I don't know. I'm just used to drawing it on my laptop, and so I don't want to fix it. I don't want to change it, but they're synced, and so once like every day while I've been like making this, one of them will have like a freak out because it will start like uploading all of the stuff that I made on the other one. But then it's also helpful because it'll already be there and I won't have to like send it. Hello, so this is the day before I am supposed to submit my drawings. I'm probably gonna submit them tonight just because why not? Just so I can be like, okay, they're submitted, I'm good. And I wasn't nervous for a while, but now I'm getting nervous again because I'm like, I don't know why I'm so nervous. I think just like I want them to pick out like the most amount of drawings I send them possible so that I can get the most amount of money possible. But really doesn't matter. I'm sure that they'll at least pick like 1 or 2 or hopefully like all of them. Okay, they just responded. The people, oh my god, my like mouth, what is going on? I like got my lipstick everywhere. But anyway, they just chose the like drawings that I picked out to put on their shirts, and so I have to like fill out this like paperwork and then I am getting paid and I'm so excited. But the shirts are not gonna be out until like April, which kind of sucks, but I'm so excited because it's such a big company and my drawings are gonna be on like 8 of their shirts. So yeah, Hello. So I'm gonna show you what other thing I made. I'm not showing the thing I actually made for the project because I don't even know why. I just wanted to be a surprise. Like, they didn't tell me that I couldn't show anyone. I was just like, this is gonna be a surprise. And I'm not even telling the company, which they also like didn't tell me that I can't tell anyone. I'm just like, I wanted to be a surprise, but I'm so stupid. So I went to a job interview. Was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. And they were like asking me, it was like, I'm like so stupid. I'm just like awkward and stuff, and like I fail every job interview because I'm just like super awkward and like whatever. And they were like, yeah, like we're gonna make flyers and stuff. And I was like, I made flyers before. They were like, for what? And I was like, I made a flyer for my relative the other day. Anyways, here it is. But yeah, it was really stupid, and I have a new job interview next week, but I actually don't want to work. I hate working, and like what I did for like this thing I just did, the one I was talking about in the video, it was like called like art licensing, and that's like the name of it. And basically you can just like make a portfolio of art, and you can like submit it to some places that like license out art, and sometimes they'll pick something and then you can get money from it. And then when it comes out, I'm supposed to get part of the sales. I don't know if I said that, but you get like a flat fee, and then you're supposed to get some of the sales when it comes out. So like, I feel like that is what I should do because I'm kind of like a messy person. Like I'm really good at like showing up to work late and like, you know, but I feel like if I do like little projects at home, that's like better, but it's probably like way harder to make a living that way. So I should get a job. But I feel like it's better for me because I also like stuff more, like the parts of like graphic design I like more are like illustration and stuff like that, and like I guess the other parts are okay, but it's like more of what I want to do. So part of me is like, maybe I should just mooch off my parents for a year. I'm such a spoiled person. Part of me is like, I should just mooch off my parents for like a year and try to do that and then get a job. But I probably should just get a job because it's like way easier to make money. But yeah, wish me all luck on my job interview next week. Yeah, goodbye for watching. Watch some of my other videos because I have like almost 600 uploads on this channel, so there's a lot of content to watch. Okay, goodbye.